Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. One of the most major considerations you'll have to make when starting your YouTube channel is deciding on a niche. Everything from your target audience to the types of brand collaborations you can pursue will be determined by it. And of course, it has a significant impact on how much money you can make on YouTube. In this video, we are going to highlight the top 10 high CPM niches for YouTube in 2023. Many of the channels we're going to talk about earn $65,000 per month or more, so stay tuned for that. You might be wondering, why does CPM vary so much between niches? Well, here's how I can simplify that for you. When you make YouTube videos, your videos become available for advertisers to use in online ads. An advertiser must pay a fee each time someone views or clicks on their advertisement. The price they pay is determined by the number of competitors, other advertisers, who want their commercials to appear in their videos. They must compete and offer the greatest price, similar to an auction, in order for their adverts to be visible. The more competition there is, the more expensive it is to show the advertisement. The higher the cost of showing the advertisement, the more money you get as the content creator. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section, or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now the important tool here is the keyword. A keyword is a phrase that viewers use to find content recommendations on YouTube or Google. Every video's title and the words you speak during the video are keywords that you are directly or indirectly targeting. YouTube is without a doubt the ultimate destination for online streaming. The platform has established itself as an unrivaled social media website where modern video culture unfolds on a daily basis. As a result, marketers have turned to YouTube to increase brand relevance and fuel their video marketing strategies. However, positive results have been difficult to come by, particularly for marketers who are unaware of key YouTube trends. It can be difficult to determine which niches are the most profitable. It ultimately comes down to individual YouTubers' monetization strategies, audience engagement, and the quality of their content. That's also why the amount YouTube pays you for 1 million views can vary greatly. However, CPM, or cost per mil, can be used as a benchmark. This is the amount that YouTube's partner program pays creators for 1,000 monetized playbacks. CPM indicates how interested advertisers are in investing in content in a specific niche and reaching out to YouTubers' audiences. The greater the level of interest, the easier it is to monetize your channel through ads and other means such as brand collaborations. A word of caution: CPMs are fluctuating right now because of a looming global recession. The numbers we'll discuss are historical averages and may not be indicative of CPMs in the niche presently. All CPMs we discuss show what advertisers pay before YouTube takes its 45% cut of the revenue. Based on CPM rates, here are the top 10 most profitable YouTube niches. Number 10. Gaming niche. Let's start with my least favorite niche. Gaming is one of YouTube's most popular sub-niches. Gaming content, whether it's reviews, complex walkthroughs, or just gameplay with entertaining commentary, can earn devoted YouTubers millions of views. Indeed, several of the most subscribed channels and highest-earning YouTubers, such as PewDiePie, are from the game niche. CPM rates for creators in this sector are typically approximately $1.40 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. In my opinion, the gaming niche is overrated. Some other popular gaming channels include Fernanfloo, Markiplier, Vanos Gaming, and more. Expect more game channels to emerge in the coming years as YouTube grows in popularity. There are also several opportunities for sponsorships and content partnerships. Number 9. Bodybuilding niche. Fitness and bodybuilding content, like cooking channels, has grown in popularity. YouTuber audiences gravitate to channels that assist people to achieve their body goals, from introductory yoga to weighted jump ropes for muscle building. The key Faceless YouTube channel in the niche, and one of my favorite channels, is Nick's Strength and Power. CPMs in the bodybuilding niche are pretty high when compared to gaming. Content creators can expect to earn between $4 to $10 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Number 8. Cooking niche. Cooking channels witness a significant increase, particularly during a pandemic. More and more individuals are going to YouTube for recipe inspiration to improve their cooking skills or to witness other people's incredible creations. In terms of CPM rates, cooking channels are fairly profitable with a CPM range of $5 to $16 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Tasty is one of the biggest channels on YouTube when it comes to this niche. This channel has over 21 million subscribers and receives 20.2 million views per month according to Social Blade. Social Blade suggests that the channel earns between $5,100 and $81,000 per month, but we know this is incorrect. Social Blade uses a CPM estimate of 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Using our CPM range of $5 to $16, we can assert that Tasty is earning $101,000 to $323,200 per month. Number 7. Try-on hauls niche. Vogue and Cosmo used to set fashion trends and form popular opinion on the subject. It's now YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok producers. Some of you might be wondering, how can a try-on-haul channel be faceless? I'll show you in just a second. I know my viewers like when I talk about smaller content creators who are succeeding in a niche. I like to show a channel called Sana. She has 33,000 subs as of this writing and receives 8.5 million views per month. Many of her views come from shorts, but for the purposes of this example, let's assume they were all from long-format videos. You see that though Sana does appear in the videos, she's wearing a mask and not showing her face. Many women in the fashion niche prefer not to have their faces on camera. Social Blade says this channel is earning $2,100 to $34,000 per month, but we know that's not accurate. My research tells me that try-on-haul CPMs range from $8 to $20 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. That indicates Sana can be earning between $68,000 and $170,000 per month from AdSense alone. Number 6. Tech and gadgets. Anything to do with technology, particularly computers and gadgets, is another high-earning niche. Advertisers enjoy the material in this sector, whether it's a review of the new MacBook Air or a comparison of Apple and Samsung phones. Channels like Android Police are faceless tech review channels. This channel talks about a wide range of smartphones that use the Android operating system. Android Police has 370,000 subs and receives over 288,000 views per month. The CPM in the tech niche ranges from $8 to $20 per 1,000 monetized playbacks, suggesting that Android Police may be earning between $2,300 and $5,760 in AdSense revenue. However, if you're considering entering this market, you should consider the accompanying costs. Even if your earnings are larger, you may need to invest in the technology you are reviewing or comparing before you can start earning money. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you. What if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube? Then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you made $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Number 5. Tutorial or how-to niche. Google, YouTube's parent company, has made modifications to help how-to videos gain popularity. When you ask a question on Google nowadays, you get two types of answers. The first are text-based results, and the second are how-to video results. More consumers are drawn toward video tutorials since they not only discuss the answer extensively but also illustrate how to solve it. How-to videos teach people how to do almost everything, from applying makeup to cooking a tasty cuisine to installing new software. They make consumers' life easier by providing first-hand information, removing confusion regarding product use, and saving time with simple actions. According to recent data, how-to videos receive the most attention on YouTube than any other category. Furthermore, 67% of millennials feel they can readily discover how-to videos on nearly any topic they wish to study. Close examination of how-to and learning material demonstrates that this category is one of the finest methods to attract customers' attention on YouTube. Of course, a video about how to use a piece of software is going to have a higher CPM than a video about how to tie a tie. The channel Create WP site has 57,400 subs and receives 131,000 views per month. The CPM for a software review video can be between $8 and $25 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Therefore, we can be reasonably certain that Create WP site is earning between $1,048 and $3,275 per month from AdSense. Number 4. Personal finance niche. Personal finance and investing niche comes in fourth. These channels offer advice on everything from stock market terminology to generating money with cryptocurrency. There are currently hundreds of thousands of videos on YouTube relating to the cryptocurrency area. Many provide significant insight into the cryptocurrency market, giving instructive content for both newbie and expert investors. Perhaps one of the biggest faceless personal finance channels on YouTube is called The Swedish Investor. This channel has 700,000 subscribers and receives over 1 million views per month. The personal finance niche has a CPM range of $30 to $35 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. That means that the Swedish investor may be earning between $30,000 and $35,000 per month from AdSense alone. Number 3. Make money online niche. It pains me to read your questions asking me what niche I'm in when I literally have videos titled Make Money on YouTube. It should be obvious that I'm in the make money online niche. Do me a favor. If you see anyone comment that again, please reply with a hashtag haha in the comments. Thousands of people use YouTube every day to learn how to make money online. If you're really interested in how much money my channel earns, I made a video detailing it a few weeks ago. I'll add a card to this video if you want to see it. The Faceless channel we'll talk about in the niche is called Cash Pro. It has 51,700 subscribers and received 472,000 over the last 30 days. Knowing that the CPM range in the niche is $30 to $40, Cash Pro may be earning between $14,160 and $18,880 per month. Number 2. E-commerce niche. With so many various e-commerce companies available, if you're looking for a certain product, chances are there's an e-commerce site that sells it. Did you know there's a hiking pea cloth, shavers for back hair? What about tortilla toasters? If you can think of it, there's probably a need for it. E-commerce businesses that focus on a specific niche have been able to rapidly scale due to the unique product they offer, focusing on a specific gap in the market. E-commerce has the third highest earning potential on YouTube, in my opinion. CPM rates for these channels range from $30 to $75 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Number 1. Luxury niche. The luxury niche is one of the most popular niches on YouTube. Viewers enjoy following the lives of celebrities as well as peeking into their homes and keeping up with their elaborate purchases. The channel 9 Figure Life is a great example of this niche. The channel has 116,000 subscribers and receives just over 1 million views per month. Advertisers are well aware of this. Our research indicates that CPM rates for the luxury niche are between $50 to $60. Using those numbers, we arrive at the conclusion that 9 Figure Life is easily earning $50,000 to $60,000 per month from just ad revenue. Not every niche is created equal. If your major purpose on YouTube is to produce income, you must consider this. However, you must also consider how much money you will need to invest in developing content in each niche, as well as how fierce the competition will be. At the end of the day, you must carefully balance all of these elements against your own passions and interests. Only then can you select the ideal niche for you. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What are your thoughts on the different niches? Which niche would you like to try? Comment down below. Let's engage. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Now you have an idea of which niches earn the most revenue, but that won't help you if you're really interested in seeing the difference between FlexClip AI video creator and Vidnami, the king of AI content creation. Click the video on your screen for everything you need to know about FlexClip and Vidnami. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.